Shoutout muna tayo dito kay Boss Idol Gary Valdez. Hey. Okay. Start na tayo.
Quarter na?
Third pa lang.
Ha?
Third pa lang ah. Third pa lang. Third. Okay, first ball ah. For Raiden Cruz.
Iba pa sa jowa pa.
4-3 short. Malapitan, no good. Glass and score. First basket by Noah Zamora. Ayan na. Makagat na ang 3-point dito ni Noah. Number 1 for 3, babawi, wala. And a rebound by Rafa to Nicolas. No. There comes Raiden. Raiden back to Noah. Noah drive and score. 39-27. In favor pa rin sa dark blue. Malapitan. Nicolas, basket. Oh, top of the key, too strong. Babawi sa tres, wala. Rebound by Palisok. Palisok, nagmamadali. Palisok, derecho. Wala. Rebound by Angeles. Angeles. And that's it. Good ball. Basket. Wide open. Oh. Nicolas. Back to Nicolas. Number 3. No, De La Cruz. Wala pa rin. Nicolas. Raiden, oh. Rojas, too strong. Basket for Palisok. Time out. Dark blue. Galit na yun si Marichok. Yanga. Time out muna. Tingnan natin ang huddle ni Coach Joe Young. Way back to the ball game. Nice steal. Palisok, nagmamadali. Diretso. Wala. Raiden Cruz. 43-4-33. Down by 10. Number 9, basket for Rafa. Mercado. Noah. Angeles. Wala pa rin. Rafa with the rebound. Rafa di diskarte. De La Cruz. No. Rafa, wala pa rin. And out of bounds. Two minutes and 57 seconds. Floater miss, rebound by Noah Zamora. Pass to Ken. And diretso, binigay sa corner, bad pass. Wala rin tayo ng dark blue. De La Cruz setting on the play. Step back. No. Wala. Dito na for ball. Out and pass. Villa. Uy. And steal. By Nicolas. Nicolas. Stop and pump. Bam. Okay. Raiden Cruz. Assist by Zian Ken. 35-47. Favor pa rin sa dark blue. De La Cruz setting on the play. Steal by Ken. Out that pass. William! What a nice move for Villa. One of the best player of the Xavier School. Nagpapakita na rin. De La Cruz. Meme. Basket for De La Cruz. Meme. 49-37. Noah Zamora. May taka na bola. Out of bounds. Time remaining, last 47. Palisok. Noah. There's a foul. Number 7. Shoutout po sa lahat ng nanonood nating live on the free throw area. Number 2, Noah Zamora. First shot is good. Second shot. blue. Pass to Meme. Meme, binigay. Bongal for 3, no good. Rebound by James. Palisok, didiscarte. Stop and pump. No. Rebound. Outlet pass. Steal by James. Palisok. Pass to Zian. Pass to Noah. Noah, binigay sa corner. Hub for 3. No. And that's the end of our third quarter. 38-49 in favor of the dark blue. Nigga. Shoutout muna rin tayo kay Boyet. Pare Boyet, shoutout muna tayo dyan. Hey, one of the best player yan dito, Santa Lucia. Mr. Boyet Torres. Ayan, abangan nyo po ang upcoming Senior Basketball League. Ayan. Saan ka ba kayo pare? Flip side? Akala ko. Red team daw siya, red team. Uy! Ay! Diyan pala, shoutout di ba sa kasama ko? Eh! Kaya pala di ko nakita. Pala nakita ko eh. Up to the ball game. Alright, fourth quarter tayo. Let's go. Shoutout mo tayo dito eh. Si Idol Gary Valdez is watching the house. Ayan, shoutout po kay Ma'am Kerry Zamora is watching. Ayan, magandang araw po Ma'am Kerry. Back to the ball game. De La Cruz, pass to wrap up. Oy, there's a foul. Foul number 12. On the free throw area, number 9, Rafa Mercado. 8 minutes lang pala tayo, sorry. First shot is good for Rafa Mercado. Second shot para kay Rafa. Makipapasok kaya? Wala. And a rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Malapitan. Rapas, no. That's a lane violation. Number 9, basket for Rafa Mercado. Yan, pass to Noah. Zamora spin drive and gets the foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 2, Noah Zamora. Pasok ya. First shot miss. Second shot for Noah Zamora. In and out, rebound. Makuha na dark blue. Here comes Meme, De La Cruz. De La Cruz, offensive foul for De La Cruz. Wide open, bang! 3-point for KB or KD Marquez. 52-41. De La Cruz, pass to Rapa, reverse layup, miss, rebound. Makakuha na ulit. Rapa, wala pa rin. Another up. Ooh. There's a foul. Jersey number 12. On the free throw area. Number 9. That's Rapa Mercado. First shot para kay Rapa. Wala. Shoutout kay April Joy Valenzuela. Wala pa rin. And rebound by Angeles. Pasok KB. Magawan. Mark over. Ayun na. Makakuha rito ni Nicolas. Nicolas. Pass to Rafa. To De La Cruz. Setting on the play. Malapitan. Oh, steal. By Noah. Sorry, that's scare. Si Andere derecho. Blocked by Nicolas. There's a foul, number 8. Time remaining 6 minutes and 4 seconds. Malapitan for 3. Wala. Rebound by Noah Zamora. And a steal. Nicolas. Nakarecover. Cross-court pass. Meme De La Cruz. Number 1. Back to Nicolas. Jump shot is no. Rebound by Angeles. Angeles. Dire-derecho. Angeles binigay. Steal. Number 1, derecho, 3 against 2. Oy, there's a foul by James Palisok. Time out muna ang purple team. Bossing. 5 minutes and 27 seconds. 52-41. 11-point lead para sa Dark Blue. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng TM Dark Blue. Number 1. Pre. Spin move, wala. Rebound by Marquez. Oh, sorry, that's Cruz. Pass to James. James Palisok drive and gets the foul by Nicolas. On the free throw area. Jersey number 24. Wala tayong free throw. Raiden. Oh, bad pass. Steal by number 1. 1-on-1. Number 1. Walang tawag. And Nicolas with the putback. James pass to KB. Marquez. Go over. Pass to number 24. Raiden from the corner 3 short. Oopsie. Out of bounds. Time remaining 4 minutes and 31. Nicolas, no. Rebound by number 1. Top of the key for 3. Wala. And a rebound, De La Cruz. Up and under by Meme De La Cruz. 56-41. In favor pa rin sa dark blue. Cruz, pass to Marquez. Marquez, tap and pump. Basket for KB Marquez. 56-43, baba sa 13 ang lamang ng dark blue. Number 1, pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, running shot, basket by Meme De La Cruz. Floater, wala. Raiden. Wow! KB Marquez. Number 1. Number 13. Oh, good. Rebound by Angeles. Oh, out of bounds. Time out. Purple. Time remaining 2 minutes and 49 seconds na lamang po. Lamang pa rin ang dark blue. Tingnan natin ang huddle ni Coach Charlie Marquez. Alright, back to the ball game. Number one, setting on the play. Handoff to Meme De La Cruz, pinasa loob. Reverse layup by Rafa, miss. Rebound. Rojas. Pass to Noah. Noah fake. Noah drive. Basket yan for Noah Zamora. 47-58. Baba na lamang sa 11. Number 1, Di Discarte. Setting on the play. Cross-court pass to Rafa. Rafa reverse layup. What a move for Rafa. Mercado. Oh! It's a miscommunication. Last 2 minutes in action. For Angeles and Zamora. Bola rito ng dark blue. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Pass to Rafa and score. 62-47. Uy. Basket. Nakabaksan dito si Noah. Ayan, defense naman ngayon ng purple. Number 1, Di Discarte. Number 1 De La Cruz. Pass to number 1 for 3. Wala. Rafa, wala pa rin. Kick out to Nicolas. Nicolas pin. Drive, no. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz, inuubos ang oras. 9-second shot clock. Last 1 minute tayo. De La Cruz, spin, drive, drop pass. Rafa miss. And a rebound by Rafa. Steal by Anastasio. Counted pass Rojas to Jade. Then Raiden De Cruz. Ayan. Pinsan ko yan by Raiden Cruz. Time out muna rito ang Dark Blue. Time remaining, last 46 seconds.
Screening pa ngayon?
Ng junior.
Mga
51,
senior.
62. Lamang pa rin ang Dark Blue ng 11. Okay, alright. Back to the ball game. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol dito ang purple team. Ayan, sa mga kakasyon naman po, this is the last game ng ating elimination round. If not mistaken, parehas 5-1, tama ba? Ang kanilang kartada this season. Sino kaya ang magiging second spot ng Liga? Rebound by Angeles. Angeles, pass to Rojas. Oh! It's a miscommunication na naman for the purple. Last 20 seconds. Nangangamoy panalo na ang Dark Blue. Oy, steal! Ay na, binigay. Steal by Rojas. Pass to Raiden. Raiden, dire-diretso. Raiden fake. And out of bounds. Last 11 seconds. Same ball tayo. Raiden mag-i-inbound. Sino papasahan? Pass to Angeles. Angeles drive. Wala. Rebound. Raiden nabitawan na. Last 6 seconds. 6, 2, 1. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations! And nice game para sa ating purple team. What a good game. Our final score, 51-62 in favor. Panalo po ang Dark Blue. And our best player of the game, De La Cruz, Meme. Ayan, congrats. Alright, muli maraming salamat po sa inyo manonood and God bless everyone. Ayan, shoutout po kay Ma'am Karen, Sir Mayor Francis Zamora. And shoutout din sa mga nanonood ng live. Ayan. Magandang araw po and good night. Good night. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye.